Yummy, juicy watermelon! Uh-oh, rumbly tummy alert! He swallowed the seeds! They're growing and turned him into a watermelon plant! Don't cry, Leo! Your tears will water the plant and it'll grow! Come on, let's swing with Lucy! That'll cheer you up! Uh-oh, Leo's tummy is so big and heavy! Slow down, Leo! Oops! Your watermelon belly bounced Lucy up and away! Now she's angry!
Get off my swing!
Aw, now Leo's sad and lonely! What is it, Leo? Wow, a big bouncy castle! Careful! Your weighty watermelon tummy is blasting Mike around! No! Your vines have poked holes and popped it! Boys, are you okay?
You've broken my trampoline!
We need to find something for you to play with that won't bust, Leo. Aha! Let's ride the roller coaster! Yikes! You're too big and round for this, too! Leo, you're slowing the ride down. It can't climb up because of your bulky belly. Back we go! Watch out, Molly! The vines are reaching out for you!
You are ruining all the fun!
Come on, Leo. Let's find something fun that fits your watermelon tum.
Nobody wants to play with me!
Leo, get out of the rain. Water will make you bigger. No, now you're a full-sized watermelon. Yikes, he's rolling out of control. Mom, watch out. Leo's rolling your way.
No!
Quick, move.
What's happened? I ate a watermelon seed and turned into watermelon! Oh, it was just a dream. Don't worry, the seeds will come out of your tummy along with the poop.
You. Let's check the seeds are out, Leo. Yeah, flush them away. Bye, seeds. No more watermelon tummy. Yippee!
Every day is a new story for Leo and Lucy. Let's sing and explore together.
Oh no, Mommy! I got a bubbly, bubbly, ouchie tummy, and it won't stop. It goes rumble, rumble, boing, boing, boing. Please calm my tummy down. Oh, sweetie, eating too much candy is not good for you. Here is some water, it will help you now. Let me wrap your tummy nicely round, 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 and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummy today.
Darling, your hands are so dirty, so many germs around. Let's wash your hands clean and you'll feel better now. Let me wrap your tummy nicely round, 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 and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummy today.
Bubbly, ouchie tummy, and it won't
tummies down.
Oh, lovely cuties, all the springs in the sun spinning around. Knit your tummy so bubbly. You need some rest, come and sit in the shade and relax over here.
Rock nicely round and round, and the pain will go away. No more bubbly tummies today.